Today, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in the WooCommerce Invoice WordPress plugin. This is incredibly useful if you want to provide your customers with clear payment instructions directly on their invoices, making the checkout process smoother and more professional. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce site, as this will give you access to all the necessary plugins and settings. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options from the menu that appears. Click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find and install all the tools you need to extend your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now see the Plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in PDF Invoice. From the search results, look for a plugin called PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for WooCommerce. This plugin is specifically designed to handle invoice generation and customization. Click on More Details to see an overview of what this plugin offers and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it meets your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while, so be patient as the plugin downloads and sets up. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on it to activate the plugin and make it functional on your site. After activating the plugin, your page will refresh automatically. Now look back at your left navigation panel. You should see a new menu option labeled Invoice/Packing. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, click on Invoice to access the invoice settings. The first thing you'll notice under the General Settings is a toggle button to enable invoices. Make sure this toggle is turned on, as it activates the invoice feature for your store. This is essential before you can customize any invoice elements. Next, to add the payment method through the invoice, click on the Customize tab at the top of the page. On the right side panel, you'll see a list of elements that make up your invoice template. Scroll down through this list until you find the payment method option. Make sure that this element is turned on. By enabling the payment method, you're allowing customers to see clear payment instructions directly on their invoices, which streamlines the payment process and reduces confusion. And that's it. You've successfully configured your WooCommerce invoices to display payment methods, giving your customers a professional and straightforward way to complete their purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.